Yeah, let's begin with the updates. As far as the war of words are concerned, that could be seen taking place on social media. As far as a certain post that was posted by the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, in which he seems to be pointing out the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, where he has put the Narendra Modi government on notice, demanding the government to take the country into confidence on the border situation, especially with China. Sharing a media report claiming that Beijing's advancement around Ladakh's Pangong Tso Lake or Pangong Tso, Mallikarjun Kharge has lashed out at the central government, saying कि Modi की Chinese guarantee, however, continues, but there has been a hit back or a response that is coming in from the BJP side.
दुख की बात यह है कि जिन्हें भारत के विदेश मंत्रालय, भारत की सरकार, भारत के रक्षा मंत्रालय पे विश्वास नहीं है, और तो और ये लोग वो लोग हैं कि इनको विदेशी एजेंसियों पर भी विश्वास नहीं है। आप सोचिए, गलवान में हैंड टू हैंड फाइट में हमारे 20 जवान बलिदान हुए थे और चीन ने अपने एक भी मारे गए सैनिक तो छोड़िए, घायल सैनिक की भी सूची नहीं जारी की, जबकि इंटरनेशनल एजेंसी ने कहा उनके करीब 55 से 60 लोग मारे गए और उस पर इनको भरोसा है। अफसोस ये है, मुझे लगता है चीन के साथ जो करार का प्यार है कांग्रेस पार्टी का, वो मोदी जी के विरुद्ध तकरार में बार बार उभर कर सामने आ रहा है।
Okay, Niyamika is joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, there's a massive war of words, a slugfest, which is broken out over Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge's sensational claim saying that part of our territory, our land, which was with us till 2020, has been usurped by China, a claim which has been vociferously denied by the BJP. Take us through what the BJP has had to say on Mallikarjun Kharge's claims.
Well, the Congress party is repeatedly making such kind of statements against the BJP government as they are continuously raising the matter which is related to the intrusion by China into the Indian territory, and that is the only reason why it is the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge who has made this statement, in which he has once again said and asked the government of India to take appropriate action by saying that the China is continuously doing build-up along the LAC, and that is the only reason why he has mentioned about the Pangong Tso Lake and the nearby areas. He had also shared some of the pictures there in his tweet, and for that reason now it is the BJP's Amit Malviya who has given a response to this allegation of the Congress party and the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, in which Mr. Amit Malviya has claimed that this is the same land which was being occupied by China in 1962, and that is the only reason why he has said that whatever the Congress party is saying, that is a completely baseless allegation. It is no truth which is being there in the claim which is being made by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. However, to this now the Congress party's Udit Raj has once again given a response to the BJP, and he has said that the BJP is in a habit of brushing off all these claims which are being made regarding the Chinese intrusion, and that is the only reason why now it is Mr. Amit Malviya who has called it a baseless allegation, but it is a fact which Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has made, and that is the only reason why the satellite imagery has clearly stated whatever being said by Mallikarjun Kharge himself. As Mr. Udit Raj has also said that the Prime Minister is not ready to speak anything about the Chinese intrusion, even if when the opposition is continuously raising this demand that he should speak about this entire issue, he should take into confidence about with the other opposition parties, about other opposition leaders as well, because this is something which is related to the national security, it is something which is related to the national integrity, and it is the responsibility of the government of India to take appropriate action and to talk about this entire matter when the China is trying to intrude into the Indian territory.
All right, and that's really the war of words, the slugfest, which is broken out over the same. We also heard, obviously, the BJP reactions as well on the same. Niyamika, take us through, has, the Congress's counter, or has the Congress at all rebutted these claims which have been coming from the side of the BJP? Because, BJP leaders, including Amit Malviya, they've put out social media posts where they're denouncing Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that this piece of land, which he's actually referring to, was ceded or rather occupied by China in 1962 itself, which was the era of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Well, absolutely. Like I've just mentioned, it is the Congress leader Udit Raj who has given a response to the BJP's Amit Malviya's tweet, in which Udit Raj has said that the BJP is in a habit of brushing off all these facts which is related to China, because it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is not even ready to mention about China. He is not even ready to say the name of China whenever the opposition is trying to raise the questions regarding the situation there along the LAC, and that is the only reason why the BJP has once again did the same kind of thing. When the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has shared some of the images, the satellite imagery regarding the Chinese build-up along the LAC nearby the Pangong Tso Lake, it is not something new which the Congress President has said. In fact, it is the BJP who is not ready to accept this fact that the China is continuously intruding into the Indian territory, and there is a need to take appropriate action on the part of the government of India regarding this entire matter, because this is something which is related to the national security and the national integrity, rather than brushing off all these statements, all these allegations which the opposition is making upon the government. It is very much necessary on the part of the government of India to take appropriate action. It is the responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
You're right, Niyamin, because that's the type of counter, the retort which is coming in from the side of the Congress party. Why don't you stay with us? We have a reaction also coming in of Tarun Chugh. Let's listen in to what the BJP has to say.
कब्जा नहीं है क्या?
कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक, कच्छ से लेकर गुवाहाटी तक देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है। भारत की वीर सेना और देश का मनोबल तोड़ने का कुप्रयास, षड्यंत्र कांग्रेस के नेता पहले भी रचते रहे हैं, अब भी वैसी ही बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं।
Colleague Sagarika is also joining us live on the broadcast. Sagarika, we heard the war of words. Much of this slugfest is also playing out on social media. Take us through all the reactions coming in at the moment.
So going across to what Mallikarjun Kharge, president of the Congress party, has to say, it's a long post on social media platform X. He goes on to say, how can China build a military base near Pangong Tso on a land which was under Indian occupation until May 2020, even as we enter the 5th year of clean chit given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Galwan, where our brave soldiers sacrificed their lives. China continues to impinge upon our territorial integrity. And he also goes on to say, just to recall, 10th April 2024, PM Modi in an interview to foreign press failed to put forth India's case strongly at the global stage. 13th April 2024, EM statement that China has not occupied any of our land exposed Modi government's meek policy towards China. Then he goes on to say, 4th July 2024, even though EM meets his Chinese counterpart and says respecting the LAC and ensuring peace and tranquility in border areas is essential, China continues to be belligerent on occupying our territory and constructing a military base at Sirijap, reportedly a land that was under Indian control. Modi government is responsible for not maintaining the status quo ante at the LAC. We have lost possession of 26 patrolling points out of 65, including points in Depsang Plains, Demchok and Gogra Hot Springs area. Modi ki Chinese guarantee continues as his government wears 56-inch big Chinese blinkers on its Lal Arc. Now, this is what the Congress president has said when it comes to India's policy vis-a-vis China, to which the Bharatiya Janata Party has responded. It's Amit Malviya of the BJP who has retorted to the Congress president. He says, Khargeji, you either don't know anything about military history and China's illegal occupation of our land in 1962 or are willfully spreading fake news. For your information, Sirijap, the area in question here, was attacked and captured by the Chinese troops on 21st October 1962 when Jawaharlal Nehru was Prime Minister. So we are paying for the sins of Balak Buddhi's great-grandfather. Now, these are quotes by Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We're just reading out. And it has nothing to do with 2020. Several military journals have recorded this fact, including Chinese aggression maps brought out by Publication Division in 1963. And then he goes on to put out a copy of what he's talking about. Over to you.
All right, Sagarika, thank you for taking us through that war of words. Much of that war of words, that political slugfest is playing out online. Mallikarjun Kharge, obviously, viewers, has leveled a sensational allegation. He claims that China is building bases on land which was held by India till 2020, a claim, just as Sagarika was telling us, vociferously denied by the BJP. We'll keep an eye on this big story through the course of the day. We now shift